Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Deonte Burden, host of Changing Lives. Just want to touch base with everybody about a subject that I think a lot of people have a big problem with because they don't practice it enough to develop it, and that's growing your network. I hear a lot of people talking about, you have to network and do different things. And then when they start talking about a network, they start talking about all the shortcomings. I really don't know enough people, or the people that I do know, they're pretty much in the same boat as me. So it's no way for me have any kind of growth or an expansion in regards to my network. So I want to give everyone 3 tips to help you diversify your network. Okay, the first thing I want to recommend to everybody is find others that are in different community groups than what you are. That can be based off race, gender, politics, interest, things like that. The reason why I say this is because if you're dealing with people that pretty much have your same common interest of doing the same thing you do, y'all pretty much gonna know kind of like the same thing. Now, things may vary in terms of their experience level with certain things, but overall, you're pretty much gonna have the same, trains of thoughts and everything. But by dealing with people that are from a whole different community, a whole different interest group, you're putting yourself in a situation where people like, say if you're a Democrat, you meet with Republicans. Say if you're a Christian, you may be dealing with maybe some people that are Jewish or Catholic or something like that. Not to convert you, but just kind of give you different thoughts and also meet people that you never know once you talk to them. Hey, we got that in common. Oh, hey, yeah, you like that? I like that too. So the first thing is deal with people that have different kind of common interests than you have and want from different kind of communities. The second thing is volunteer more. Volunteer more, volunteer more. Volunteering is a great thing because number one, you're getting no kind of monetary gain, and you're getting just straight that feeling from putting something out there in the community and helping others. Okay, and when you volunteer, you never know who you can be at different organizations like homeless shelters, different political campaigns. Hey, you can even go to some of your elderly community homes, not even community home, maybe just some of the elderly community service centers and stuff like that. You never know, you can get some people that have a whole lot of life and a whole lot of experience dealing with people that are, working in different industries and stuff like that. You're really diversifying yourself because, by volunteering, you never know who you can run across in that whole process to help you grow as a person. The third thing is join local community organization boards. That can be in terms of, just say you're dealing with a church or a different civic organization, maybe even with a youth organization. Not only are you providing good leadership, you're also helping your community grow in the process, but you're also getting, different kind of leadership experience and advice from people that are in a whole different, network than you are. So you're putting yourself in conjunction with people from different races, lifestyles, experiences, and things like that from a leadership perspective. So you're doing that, helping yourself, but also helping the community in the process. But again, those are 3 things that I think you can try to help diversify your network. Because again, one of the biggest shortcomings we have, like I initially said, is that we tend to find comfort in the people that are like us. And a lot of times we get put in those situations with people that are different from us. We get kind of uneasy. We keep to ourselves. We don't want to sit here and initiate certain conversations and things like that. But the only way you're gonna get better at it if you try. So my best advice to you is make sure that you're getting an opportunity to volunteer, meet with people from different groups, and also give, some kind of, join some kind of local boards and things like that, where you can also give help with leadership and grow communities or organizations. Also meeting people in the process. Um, in order for you to grow a very powerful network, it's going to have diversification. Okay, but in order for you to have diversification around, you have to be willing and open to try to meet different and new people. Okay, I hope that helped you. Again, this is Deonte Burden, host of Changing Lives. Make sure you tune in our show every Thursday at 8 p.m. That's Eastern Standard Time. And like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And as always, make sure you hit that blue man in the bottom right hand corner. Take care of yourself.